In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create t-shirt design in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once the app loads, look for the Generate option and tap on it. This is the main area where you'll create your design, and it's where all the important setup happens before you generate your final image. Next, tap on the Model section. From there, choose the Image option, then select the model you want to use for your t-shirt design. This step matters because different models can give you different visual styles, levels of detail, and overall results. If you're aiming for something clean and printable, it's a good idea to pick a model that fits the kind of artwork you want to create. After that, tap into the prompt area and type your prompt. This is where you describe the t-shirt design you want Leonardo AI to generate. Try to be clear and specific with your wording so the app can better understand your idea. A well-written prompt usually gives you a more accurate and useful result. Once your prompt is ready, tap on the settings icon to customize the generation. In this section, choose the quality, image dimensions, and the number of generations you want. Quality affects how polished the image looks, dimensions control the size and shape of the design, and the number of generations determines how many variations Leonardo AI will create at once. If you want more options to choose from, generating multiple versions can be very helpful. When you've finished adjusting everything, tap Done or OK to save your settings, then go ahead and start the generation. After a moment, Leonardo AI will create your t-shirt design based on the prompt and settings you selected. From there, you can review the results and decide which design works best for your project.